Hello, I'm attorney Diane Claxton. One of the things I wanted to say to the Haitian community is that finally we get a little bit of good news. A federal judge decided to stop the Trump administration from trying to cut TPS from 18 months to 12 months. The Biden administration had given TPS for 18 months, which is usually what it gives to all the countries. And the Trump administration, ever since February, had announced that it was going to try to vacate those 18 months and actually cut it down short to 12 months. So according to the Trump administration, the TPS for the Haitian community was going to end on August 3rd of this year instead of February 3rd, 2026, which would make it 18 months. So a federal judge said that he cannot do that, especially you have an order that was given by a previous president. That should at least be respected. And when it comes time for the renewal, then you may decide I'm not going to do a renewal. But to cut the TPS from 18 months to 12 months, the federal judge said that he cannot do that. So for now, the Haitian community is safe. However, in February of next year, TPS will no longer be valid. So if you are in that category of people that has TPS, try to find another status to remain in the United States, either family petition, asylum, or labor certification. There are other ways of remaining here legally, but TPS will probably not be an option because I doubt that this administration will continue to renew TPS when our 18 months comes up in February.